शिवाजी हॅपी जर्नी नॉर्थ ईस्ट टूरच्या साठी निघत आहे. आता कारनी नागपूरवरून प्लेननी निघणार आहे. हॅपी जर्नी शिवाजी, लव यू.
गुवाहाटी एअरपोर्ट. Now I am heading towards Shillong, Meghalaya. 16 मे 2024, हुमायून लेक, शिलाँग, मेघालय. This is the riverside resort room where I stayed in. It's a small cozy room. Yes, they have a functioning TV. Okay, there is a balcony, good bathroom. In all, the fare that it cost me is around 3,000, including the breakfast. So that's it from the Riverside Resort. So today is 17 May 2024. This was my second day in Shillong. I stayed in a Riverside Resort, as you can see behind. Okay, so now I'm heading towards Bamboo Trek. It's on the way towards Dauki in a village named Mawring Khong. Okay, so let's explore today the Bamboo Trek. So this is the junction for Bamboo Trek. For Bamboo Trek we have to take Dwaki Road, the left one, and if you want to go to Nokhalika Falls, double-decker route bridge and caves, then you have to take the right, the Sora Road. So finally I have reached Pomlun village, from where I am going to start my Bamboo Trek. So this is a small Pomlun village. So this direction I have to go. Let's explore. I'm almost there towards Bamboo Trek village, and found one more thing in the mountains which is not really good for the environment. As you can see, that white, that's not any shivling, but the entire mountain has been carved. Signs of heavy constructions in Meghalayan mountains. Okay, I have reached the Bamboo Trek village. This is the parking, and I have to go this way. You can keep your baggage here. So I have begun the bamboo trek now. Here is the ticketing counter. नमस्ते. सो ये ईस्ट खासी हिल्स में है, हम बाम्बू ट्रैक कर रहे हैं और दिस इज़ हाउ दे टेक केयर ऑफ द वेस्ट. टूरिस्ट तो गंदा करते ही है. सी दैट हट, बहुत सुंदर. सो इट्स क्वाइट हॉट. You have to wear good sunscreen and a hat and full sleeve shirt. Being in Meghalaya, don't consider that every time it will be rainy and there will be clouds all the time, because as you can see up, it's too hot. A small canteen on the trail. So I saw the first glimpse of bamboo trek. My phone may not support the zoom, but I can see there are some flags in that valley. So all the way we have to start the bamboo trek here, and then along that mountain we have to go round about that mountain. So we are yet to reach. So I have reached the what I can say, the base camp of the bamboo trek. From here I have to travel, but before that I just want to show you the water system. These are the wires that we use as a drip irrigation in our farm. So they are using it as a water source, all natural way. So transparent. Okay, let's go. The bamboo bridge. Let's start. So once again I have to cross this suspending bridge. See, it's moving. You will find such suspending bridge at many places in the Meghalaya. A really good thing to experience. Let's start this suspending bridge. Okay, it's shaking. So some part of the bamboo trek has begun, as you can see. Okay, so they are making a new route to the bamboo trek, as you can see. And this is the old one. Water bottle filling spot, all natural. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Let's see what's more in there. So I'm in the middle of bamboo trek. I've just covered the 50% of the area. Okay. There I want to show you some why local people hate outsiders. The one of the few reasons is this. So I'm near to the destination. Let's fix my back first. Okay, so this is a little scary. The bamboo support is literally on the edge of the mountain. So I'm reaching towards the bamboo trek viewpoint. This is the dangerous patch for which this bamboo trek is quite famous. You can see the cliff. Very less support. Not a cupcake. Oh god. See. This is actually scary. But you don't have to think too much. As many people. Scariest suspension bridge. Let's go. Oh, see, there is no support. Let's cover it. One thing I can say, my trip to Meghalaya, this second trip, is worth it, very worth it. And to be very honest, I've came to Meghalaya second time only to do this bamboo trek. Really nice. तो almost bamboo trek पहुंच गए. That's the top of the bamboo trek. केव है, केव से जाना है. The final destination of bamboo trek. तू उधर रुक जा उधर. This is the final climb towards the bamboo trek destination. So reach the bamboo trek point. Let me give you a little glimpse of how they have constructed the trail. The very edge. So I started my backward journey towards the parking lot. Completed the bamboo trek. Hornet. There is a little cave, cave type structure. Through that I have to pass through. It took around 2 hours for me to get down to the bamboo trek point. Probably let's see now how much time it takes to climb up. See. Okay, meet you at the parking point. So if you're planning to do the bamboo trek, don't miss this swimming spot. So clear. This is the beauty of Meghalaya. So on the way towards Mawlynglong village, I have stopped to have breakfast. This is a nice location. This is the spot. So just behind the breakfast point, I found a little trail. Maybe it goes to the valley viewpoint. I'm just exploring it. Beautiful valley. And that's the breakfast point. So finally I have reached the Dwaki and Mawling Long junction. I'm not going to Dwaki as there is no point in visiting because the Umkot river is quite muddy due to rain, so it's not transparent as we see in videos. So I'm going to Mawling Long, 18 kilometers from here. Let's explore it. Thank you. So on the way towards Mawling Long village, I'm just few kilometers away. I found wild pineapple. I'm just zooming it, just see. Though being a wild, but it can be consumed. Okay. Okay, just before reaching the Mawling Long village, a kilometer before, we can see this balancing rock site. Let's see how it is. Okay, this is a huge rock. Let's see what's beneath. Okay, so there are two types of rock, like soft rock and the hard rock. So we can see the soft rock has been eroded completely, and the entire structure is balancing now on the hard rock, and slowly we can see the cracks into it. Okay, yeah, it's a big. So finally I have reached Mawling Long village, the cleanest village in Asia. So here is a junction. This place goes to the tourist spots and this goes to the actual village. The signboard is here, no entry for tourist vehicle, but I have the permit, so I can go inside. So let's explore the village. How clean it is. As you can see, no littering. Okay. Nice homestays. A church and its playground. Hello. Come on. Okay, I've reached my homestay. That is Hala Homestay. Now from Mawling Long village, I'm going towards Living Road Bridge. It's just 1 kilometer far from the village. beautiful plants. What kind of a fruit is this? I guess it's chili. Lychee. Lychee tree. Okay. This tree is of a different fruit, and on it this flower has been germinated. Different kinds of flowers. So this is the Living Road Bridge. Let me tilt my phone. Okay. So hundreds of years ago, like the locals took one shoot of the tree, this tree, and started building up, and gradually the shoots grown up into the major roots. Living Road Bridge. So we are heading towards Sky View Point. It's all made up of bamboo, as you can see. Okay, this is the top point. Look. Glorious. That's the Bangladesh border. These are the homestays. This is Mawling Long small village. That is my homestay. That green net. Quite spacious and good host. Rooms are clean. You can stay in there. The Hala homestay. It's on Google as well. The tariff is around 3,000. Chalo. So there is one more sky view point at a private property. Let's explore. So basically, the advantage of taking a homestay in Mavling Long Village is that you can get your bike and move all the way. But the people who don't have the homestay, they have to walk the entire village. See, and it takes hours to explore the village. So better to get a homestay here, quite cheap, and then explore it with the bike. Nice, nice. Support. The football ground. Okay. The view of the entire village. Church. Must visit place. मेघालय आना है तो मावलिंग ही आना है. The cleanliest village. Mawling Long village evening. Evening mass is going on. So today I am leaving Mawling Long village. This is day 4 of my journey, northeast journey. From Mawling Long I am going to Assam, Tejpur, and from Tejpur I will be traveling to Tawang, and in between I will be covering all the spots. So it will be another very tiring and long journey. So meet you in Assam, Tejpur. मेघालय के कुछ डिकंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स दिखाना चाहता हूँ मैं. अभी ये जो पहाड़ है ये तो मुझे लग रहा है अननेसेसरी कट किया है, क्योंकि यहाँ से एक रोड जा रहा है जो इसको सर्कल करके वहाँ आ रहा है. देखते हैं अभी. ये वो रोड है. और ये रोड यहाँ पे खत्म. ये आ गया. यही रोड सामने जा रहा है. अभी ये पहाड़ को कट करने की क्या ज़रूरत थी मुझे नहीं समझा. और ये काफ़ी बड़ा रोड है, और इससे भी भयानक कंस्ट्रक्शन तो आगे मैं दिखाऊंगा. मैं मेघालय में हूँ. एक और बहुत बुरी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट देखी मैंने. मैं जा रहा था दवाकी शिलोंग से. ऑन रूट मुझे कुछ दिखा है, मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ. देख के तो मैं अभी हैरान रहेगा, बस पता नहीं क्या बन रहा है वहाँ पर. ये पूरा का पूरा पहाड़ इन्होंने ऊपर से तोड़ दिया है. नीचे तक उसके माउंटेन डेब्रिज दिख सकते हैं. और इस पहाड़ को मैंने जो पोमलोन विलेज में बाम्बू ट्रैक है वहाँ से देखा था, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोई शिवलिंग है बट अभी पास आने के बाद में समझ में आया कि नहीं, ये कुछ डिकंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ है माउंटेन का, और हम वही जा रहे हैं अभी उसके पास। भाई साहब, ये तो पूरा पहाड़ी मतलब गायब कर दिया इन्होंने। क्या चल क्या रहा है यहाँ पे? मतलब पहले ये यहाँ तक होगा, अभी ये पूरा ही साफ कर दिया। देखते हैं आगे जाके अभी और कितना फोड़ा है इन्होंने पहाड़ को।
तो कुछ लोकल्स को पूछने के बाद रीज़न फॉर दिस मास डिस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ माउंटेन, उन्होंने कहा कि ये सारा पत्थर बांग्लादेश जा रहा है क्योंकि बांग्लादेश में पत्थर कम है। और ये पहली घटना नहीं है, ऐसे कई पहाड़ तोड़े गए मेघालय में कुछ महीनों में ताकि बांग्लादेश पत्थर भेज सके। बट सवाल वही है कि टू fulfill the Bangladesh desire for the stone, why our sacred mountains are getting crushed into pieces.
तो पहले कभी यहाँ पे अच्छी ग्रीनरी और मस्त पहाड़ हुआ करता था, वो उसका टॉप दिख रहा है।
This is totally unacceptable from the government, and I don't see any news about this in media as well, and no news from the environmentalist global.
आधे से कटा है ये पहाड़।
The sacred mountains of Meghalaya, known for its pristine nature.
खड़े नहीं होना है। शिलोंग से 40 मिनट दूर द्वाकी और सोहरा के जंक्शन पे ये एक होटल है, काफ़ी अच्छा। मैं यहाँ रुका था, और यहीं से तुम राइट साइड में सोहरा, दैट इज़ चेरापुंजी, नोकालिका फॉल्स, डबल डेकर ब्रिज कर सकते हो यहाँ से आगे राइट साइड में। और लेफ़्ट साइड में जो आएगा वहाँ से तुम द्वाकी और उमकोट रिवर, मावलिंग विलेज कर सकते हो। तो ये मैं पहुँच गया अभी शिलोंग। यहाँ से मैंने बाइक उठाया था ये सेक्रेटेरिएट बिल्डिंग के पास। अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ तेजपुर। ये भैया हम पहुँच गए आसाम। यहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं तेजपुर। SSB सर्विस सिलेक्शन बोर्ड, राष्ट्रीय सीमा बल। मेघालय हो गया कवर, ईस्ट खासी हिल्स। अभी जा रहे हैं आसाम तेजपुर की तरफ।